You watch millions of people paint their faces and scream at screens. You feel nothing, and you've wondered if something's wrong with you. Here's what nobody tells you. Society has gaslit you into thinking you're cold, antisocial, missing some essential human part. But here's the truth. There's a hidden psychological mechanism that makes people obsess over sports. And if you don't have it, you're not broken. You're just built different. Let me show you what's actually happening in their brains. When someone's team wins, their body releases testosterone, real testosterone, like they personally scored the goal. Their nervous system literally cannot tell the difference between watching and doing. This is called vicarious achievement. Their brain hijacks someone else's win and processes it as their own. It's a biological hack left over from tribal survival. When the tribe won the hunt, you survived. When the tribe lost, you starved. So your ancestors who merged their identity with the group, they lived. This reflex is still running in most people's heads like background code. They're not watching a game. They're feeding an ancient survival program that says, merge with tribe equals safety. But you don't have that program running at full volume. Psychologists call this high individual identity. You derive your worth from what you personally build, not what strangers achieve on a field. Your self-esteem isn't outsourced. Here's the twist. In tribal times, your wiring was a liability. You'd be the one who didn't bond with the group. But in the modern world, it's a superpower, because while everyone else is renting their emotions from a sports team, you kept ownership of yours. You're not missing something. You're running a different operating system, one that doesn't need borrowed victories to feel valuable. You create your own scoreboard. You don't wait for Sunday to feel alive. They're streaming their identity. You own the source code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.